In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency on KuCoin. By following these steps, you will be able to easily manage your crypto assets on the platform. Start by navigating to the KuCoin website. This can be done by typing KuCoin.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you should see various cryptocurrency options and features available on the main interface. Next, locate the assets option on the top menu of the page. Click on this option to access your asset management section. This will take you to a screen displaying your available cryptocurrencies and their current balances. After that, look for the funding account link. This is typically found on the left side of the assets page. Clicking on it will direct you to the funding account overview where you can view your available funds and transaction history. Once this appears, you will need to click on the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. This action will display detailed information about that specific asset, including your total balance and available amount for transfer. Next, click on the total button, which will show you the total amount of that cryptocurrency in your account. This is a crucial step as it helps you confirm the total balance before initiating a transfer. After confirming your total, click on the available amount option. This will display the amount of cryptocurrency you can transfer. Verify that you have sufficient funds to complete your transfer. Then navigate to the In Orders section. This area will show any pending transactions. Make sure there are no pending orders that might affect your ability to transfer your... Now, click on the Transfer button. This action will open a transfer dialog where you can specify the details of the transfer you intend to make. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the drop-down menu. For example, you can type in USD2 to select Tether. This selection is important as it determines which cryptocurrency will be transferred. Next, click on the USDT option once it appears in the drop-down. This will confirm your selection and allow you to proceed with the transfer process. After selecting the cryptocurrency, click on the From field. This will allow you to specify the source of the funds for the transfer. Type in the amount you wish to transfer in the designated field. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance to avoid any transaction errors. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer request. This action will initiate the process of transferring your cryptocurrency. If you would like to transfer crypto on KuCoin yourself, I placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any mistakes during the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.